Guys, hello from Kyiv. Misha and I came to our usual spot, Michael's Monastery, and destroyed Russian tanks and equipment. We are wishing you a happy Sunday. I hope you had an amazing weekend. And today is the first day of summer, and in Russia is extremely hot, and not because of the weather. I opened the news and I was just in shock. Ukraine Security Service SBU struck 5 Russian airfields deep inside Russia. And later I checked more details, and this operation called Spiderweb was preparing for 1.5 years. And I checked all the details and I see how many aircraft we destroyed today. And just a reminder, this aircraft is filled with rockets to making terror here in Ukraine, to killing civilians via targeting military objects like airfield, oil refineries, and so on. But you can see all my videos and Google what Putin did for these 3, even more than 3 years of full-scale invasion in my country, targeting hospitals, schools, just residential houses in the middle of Kyiv, in the middle of Ukraine, in peaceful cities, in Lviv. Children died. And today, finally, we have access to strike Russian aviation. I see the latest reports, we destroyed around 35% of strategic aviation of Russia. The cost is about $7 billion. And for producing this, Russia needs time. And some of the aircrafts was already filled with rockets 101 and ready for takeoff and killing us. And we just prevented this. Maybe we saved some lives of some people. And of course, Russia was in shock. And because of this attack, they started to threaten us with Oreshnik and organizing some meetings and so on. But anyway, they are on the way to Istanbul, because tomorrow we are Ukrainian side and Russia side meeting with them in Istanbul about possible peace talks that Putin doesn't want. And the reason why he is continue playing this game, because he needs to have a good relation with Trump. So more about this attack. It's in the very beginning was information about 4 airfields, later about 5. And I have the list of all of them. One is located near Moscow, another is very deep in Murmansk, airbase Oenia, and it's all strategic aviation for Tu-95. And firstly, it was from Ukraine side. It was reported about 100 of aircraft. Later, from Russian side, about 40. So we don't know exact the numbers. We will see the updates. It just happened today, and information could be changed with the numbers and so on. And I have the list of these air bases near Irkutsk, Moscow, and Severomorsk, where is Oenia. By the way, interesting fact, I've been to Severomorsk, and there is now my relatives, my cousins, and actually maybe like 7 people whom I know, even more, like more than 10, with whom I not talk since 2014, because they truly believe we are terrorists and banderovцы and so on. So I'm not in touch with all of my aunties there and like cousins, and like some relatives from long time. I'm not in touch with them. And they targeted this Severomorsk, and I've been there. And the only idea what I wanted to text them, like I want to say, like, it's just TV, no worries, everything is fine, everything will be okay. And yeah, I saw all this photo, because they are killing us, and we killing only rockets, military bases. So according to the information, Oenia Air Base in Murmansk Oblast, it's a home for strategic aviation Tu-95. Second, Airfield Belaya in Irkutsk Oblast, it's actually for heavy bombardments, Tu-160s. And we have reports about, like, we destroyed 2 of them and on 9, so it's still like not clear. Third one is Dyagilevo in Ryazan Oblast. Its location is one of the strategic air bases of Russia. Ivanova. In Ivanova Oblast, it's for long-range aviation forces, and the last one that popping up in the just maybe 2 hours ago, Voznesensk is in Moscow Oblast, very close to Moscow, and yeah, it was also hit. So amazing news, and we are going to talk about more in details today about this special operation. A little bit news from Ukraine. Last night it was a heavy night with almost 500 drones came into Ukraine. We intercept a lot. Thankfully, it was a little bit loud, even loud at 8 a.m. Air siren lasted from 1:45 at night till something like 10 a.m. or 9 a.m. Don't remember. Over 9 hours. And anti-record 500 drones Russia sent to us. And also, while I not forget, in the morning I checked the updates about some Russian bridges and passenger train were collapsed, blown up, and there are dead and injured. So the Sunday started with the trains and ended up with the airfield bases. And I have many questions about what is with the air defense system, why this airfield bases doesn't have any security during all this war, or Putin and Russia actually doesn't think that war can come back to their land and the war only happening in Ukraine. So many questions, and let's discuss this all today. And as always, guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for your, Michelle also saying hi, thank you for your likes, comments, and becoming sponsors of my channel, buying me coffee, matches, and becoming my patrons. And spontaneous video of today, I have no idea what could happen. This could happen yesterday. I thought it will be like Sunday, and you know, and we did it and prepared this 1.5 years. So let's talk. So, you know what surprised me? They have not watched their own borders, and we invaded Russian Kursk Oblast. They thinking that these aircraft bases located deep inside Russia, and probably they don't need much security or air defense system there and so on. And it was a surprise by us. Actually, Ukraine did. It's a Trojan horse there. This was the plan. Operation was watched by our President Zelensky and the head of Security Service of Ukraine, Maluk. The plan was made for 1.5 years with preparation and so on. And interesting point, it means that Russia have zero access and zero spies here in Security Service of Ukraine, because if they had, it will be a leak of information within 1.5 years. But everything went today successfully. So you are thinking how Ukrainian drones can reach so deep inside Russia. Severomorsk, where I've been, and before we have a flight there, it's a little bit over than 3 hours of flight. Imagine, it's near the sea. It's, oh my God, it's super far on the north. And their aircraft Oenia and plus Severomorsk and Murmansk, it's the city that equipped the submarines with warheads. And it was also fired today. So we don't know exactly, it's a base photos or photos from what's going on there. Different information today popping up, so could be more accurate tomorrow from this city. And about this operation that called Spiderweb, watched by Zelensky, in the head with Security Service Maluk. They delivered drones to Russia, and the drones had special, it's called houses, or I don't know, houses with roof, small wooden houses. And it was installed in the roof of cargo trucks. How? I don't know, it's interesting. Trojan horse, seriously. And these trucks were moved near this aircraft base, and the roof remotely, it was remote control, in the special time were opened, and the drones takes over and fly to this base. It's genius. And this is how we attacked. I was just like surprised, and I saw all these photos and video, and I was like, really, how it's possible? I couldn't imagine how Russia in shock today. But again, they have not watched their borders, and they have not watched their military bases, and this is what has happened, because we have to save life of our people. We have to protect ourselves, and this is again a huge difference. Russia attack Ukrainian houses and civilians, and we attack Russian air bases with rockets, and was ready to take off and hit us. And of course, we don't know what to expect nearest days from Russia. Of course, they have something else to hit with us, but produce the plane or more rockets, it takes time, and especially tomorrow we have negotiations, which I don't believe that something going on, it's just part of the game. But still, Russia needs power and time to produce it all. And just maybe 1 hour ago was ballistics threatened, and they make a urgently meeting about the attack and threaten us with Oreshnik. So we don't know what to expect, but I always say, even when we did nothing, Russia attacked Sumy, Kryvyi Rih, in April. It was Sumy on the Holy Sunday, I think it was. Then attack children play yard in Kryvyi Rih. Attack Kyiv just in Svetoshina, here maybe 20 minutes by drive, just residential building, just in the middle of nothing with a rocket. And they just continue killing us, and we just have to somehow to prevent this all. And yeah, honestly, today the mood of many Ukrainians is just like popping up. We're just like very happy and surprised and happy by our air defense system, how we intercepted many drones with our security service, how they managed to do this. Like 1.5 years they were preparing for this. And I open Instagram, I open threads, people just like very happy, and I don't know, like, yeah, at least like good news, because this war is different from the other war, because huge part has drones war. And lately I see reports that Russia is some steps ahead of Ukraine for producing drones and killing us and torturing us with all this. And thankfully today for our drones, we made this successful attack on this airfields in Russia. It's like, I don't know, it's great plan, just great plan. So guys, maybe after today we can say that, yeah, we do have cards. After such a special genius attack on Russia, which was happened not from the territory of Ukraine, from territory of Russia, and hit Russian airfield base. It's just genius and unbelievable, really. And I just have a very good mood today because of this all. And yeah, let's see. And some information from Ukrainian media that Zelensky, and I don't remember exactly who said that, all the individuals who took a part in this special operation are back home to Ukraine. If there would be some person captured, it's just for Russian domestic TV, just to prove they are powerful. And of course Russia is reducing the number of aircrafts, reducing their like everything went successfully, they intercept, everything is great. But we have photos, we see photos, the footage from the drones, and many more. So this morning started with crashing some bridge and passenger trains. I was just like, yeah, whatever. And later on, I was during the day, the Sunday, I wasn't expecting nothing. Like the Sunday feels like not many news, and I was just shocked and surprised. So guys, hoping for the best, preparing for the worst, and this could be really turning point in this war. And let's see, life is so unpredictable, everything so unpredictable, and consequences from this attack for Russia airfield base is, I don't know, we will see tomorrow, and other days maybe will be more information. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. thank you so much for standing with Ukraine. I hope today this news also cheer you up a little bit as me, because I understand we save people's life. Russia needs time to produce, and hit the plane, it's a big deal, and rockets. So, and I wish you productive week, and thank you for watching. Misha saying bye, Tanya saying goodbye, hoping for the peaceful nights, and let's see what will be going on tomorrow on these negotiations. But I don't expect something huge. But Ukraine's, by the way, we still don't have a memorandum about what Russia wants from all this. But Ukraine, we need peace, we need to talk, and just normal things to stop this war. And Russia is claiming for 5 regions, 7 regions, how many more, of other land. They don't belong to them. So anyway, it's the video for another topic. We will see what will be happen tomorrow. And guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy today, and see you soon with the news updates. So far, been quiet day. Misha saying goodbye. Goodbye. Tanya saying goodbye, and see you soon.